Hello, my name is Cindy Caballero. I am a sophomore at the University of Michigan. Today, I will be talking about the effects of chewing gum. My question today is chewing gum a realistic method of effective studying? One of the articles I read about was titled Test Anxiety and Study Habits. It's basically they cons- they tested a test called the Alpert Harbor anxiety test, and it's testing the relationship of facilitating and deliberating test anxiety and study habits. It was hypothesized that students with low scores have more effective study habits and avoid delaying academic tasks. This suggests that the test anxiety students' test performance is partially affected by effective pre examination behavior, as in, the anxiety is given by being afraid of failing, like having previous like fears about the exam itself. The study that they made was they conducted several tests. This table one talks about the mean scores by achievement anxiety test. The high scores indicate more effective study habits. Another one was the mean delay avoidance scores by achievement anxiety test group. This was the high scores indicating less delay in academic tasks. Another another article that I read about was the caffeine gum and cycling performance, a timing study. It was hypothesized that chewing gum will enhance a rapid effect of physical performance, stamina, and recovery. In this study, they tested several cyclists by chewing gum previous, like an hour to 2 hours before their actual performance test, and also immediately before their cycling test. The results were a main effect of treatment was observed for the cycling child performance. Trial C has a sudden major decrease in this in this result of caffeine concentration because the cycling performance was enhanced in trial C and not in trial A or B. Trial D was the placebo. In this graph, you can see that it was concluded that chewing gum enhances cycling performance when ingested immediately before the exercise. As you can see, the trial A and B had little to no effect on the performance. Trial D had no effect whatsoever because it was a placebo. And then trial C had a major effect difference. You can see the spike. So, is chewing gum an effective studying method? Yes. Chewing gum can help you stay focused for longer on tasks that require continuous monitoring and improve concentration in visual tasks. What I learned from my research was that the effects of chewing gum enhances a lot of memory, like cognition, because it it moves your jaw a lot. And the movement of your jaw is connected to your brain in a way, and it like exercises your brain and it helps you stay more active and focused in what you're actually doing. After this, I highly encourage everybody to try just chewing gum when studying, and then when you're taking the test, keep chewing gum, because I've figured out that, well, not figured out, I found that it was actually more helpful chewing gum than having like a little anxiety distraction and calm your anxiety and focus on the chewing and have your memory just automatically like remember everything that you studied before, and then just have like a a coping method that helps ease anxiety and improve the memory. These were my sources that I used. Thank you and have an amazing afternoon.